All right, have a good day.
Fuck you.
First stop of the day with the little homie. Hi. Good Lord. Duma. All right, man.
You get one.
Run me my shit. Yeah, I know. He's like Oprah with the fucking banh mi's. You get one. You get one. Hey, that extra one you should give to the homie that's all pissed off. Ow. Oh shit, got the cold cuts.
A cold cut combo.
So when I talked to them, they said one vehicle is 2 bikes.
So you have the first 4 will be part of the reservation, and
sure.
Then we have to pay extra vehicle for the others?
Yes, correct.
All right, so let me get this guy.
Thank you for enabling me.
Great fucking thing to hear. We're crossing homes. Sure.
Yeah, it's probably gonna sit that way. All the kids here are just like, what are all these birds?
Yeah. All these like families and shit, and all of a sudden like all the fucking motorcycle bros come in, and they're like, what the hell?
I swear.
Oh man, they let anybody into these kind of places.
Oh, there goes the neighborhood. Honey, get the kids, we're leaving.
Back to Morgan Hill.
It's hotter here down. Yeah, because we were up by the mountain. Oh, okay. But,
well, you were just camping like 2 weeks ago, right?
Yeah.
For real.
I've never played this hard, but I will play it this weekend if I need to.
Man, it's been so long since I've picked this up. Who had that little hammer and mallet?
The red one?
Chairs? Y'all brought chairs?
No.
You got no room for chairs?
I'll show you how we do the chairs.
Y'all didn't bring chairs? I brought chairs.
Bunch of newbies over here.
Hey, for real, Myers, thanks for organizing all this, man.
Yeah, hell yeah, dude. Been excited to go camping with you guys.
I thought we gotta go to,
I want to go to where?
that place that Dylan always talks about.
Oh yeah.
The one
I
that
got
always goes-
some cool spots in Shasta.
Yeah. Dude, I want to climb Shasta. That's why I have all this backpacking gear, because I was trying to climb Shasta.
Look at that, dude. I'm big chilling.
Nice.
Use your sweater.
I think I had it.
Dude, I overnighted a bunch of things last night to me this morning. My flip-flops,
Ah, there we go. Hello.
a pillow.
You all need first aid? I got first aid.
Don't want to? What? My phone light?
No.
I'm alright.
I got a whole bed, bro.
Oh, yeah, right on, man.
What are they?
It's like when you arrive in prison, you trust me.
Oh shit, you right.
That looks like some predator surveillance.
When you don't want to put on all your gear to go get food.
I mean, I'll be shifted.
Need some glizzies for the campsite?
Busy with the glizzy.
Yeah, we got plenty of glizzies on the campsite already though. Damn, some chicharrones. Takes 3 people to get a piece of wood strapped to a sissy bar.
But you know what? It ain't going nowhere.
That's for damn sure.
Ooh, that's legit though.
I'm golden now. Oh, dude, that's not going anywhere.
No. Cheers. Cheers, boys. Oh, one finger? Damn, thug. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
Hey, I'll cheers with my Izzy.
Hell
Yeah.
yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers. Chin chin.
Damn.
Come on, man. I caught it while it was falling. Ooh, look at that. That was clean. 4 cuts with one swipe.
4 pieces.
Dude,
I think it was kind of like.
you don't want any more of this? No, go ahead, kill it. I got hella chicken.
I think I got the same one, but I haven't made it yet.
Who's wrong?
Yeah, I got the same one. Mountain House, yep. You brought cars?
Bringing all that shit. I bought cars, bro.
Oh,
That's what I'm
on
used to.
ice.
Let's be honest.
I used to not take it
All we
back.
needed was water and fire. That's all we really need. Everything else is just a luxury.
Want to try some of this control?
Yeah, shit.
Oh shit, your shit look fancy.
All right, show me how romantic it is in there.
Tell me some bedtime stories.
Oh shit!
And then we're just like,
Oh shit! Late night snack.
there, more? Yeah, that's perfect.
Hey, run me some tea. Thank you, sir. Oh yeah. Perfect. Yo, what are you eating? A lasagna taco, my guy?
He's locked in right now.
Yo, the munchies on this man right now is crazy.